Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure the HAProxy load balancer with Keepalived for Kubernetes and Ingress Nginx Controller. Let's look at the diagram of the solution that we'll create. There are two Kubernetes nodes. On each node we'll install Keepalived and HAProxy. We need to transmit traffic somewhere. I am going to use the Ingress Nginx Controller as a receiver, so we need to install it too. Keepalived uses Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol or VRRP to provide failover. VRRP allows multiple nodes to share the same virtual IP address. Keepalived elects one of the nodes to act as the master which handles traffic. The other node becomes backup. If the master goes down, a backup node takes over the virtual IP and resumes the service with minimal downtime. To complete the configuration, you need to fulfill the following requirements. Install kubectl and Helm. Prepare access to your Kubernetes cluster. How to install your on-premise Kubernetes cluster you can watch in my video. By the way, in the video I use Ubuntu. Let's start our journey by installing the Ingress Nginx Controller. By the way, I added the link to the files from the video in the description. I am going to use Helm to do it. On the screen you can see changed values for the controller. Let's review them. I am going to use the node pod service. If you aren't familiar with the Kubernetes services, watch my video. There will be two pods with the controller. Furthermore, I want to allocate them on two specific nodes. As you see, node selector is a node with the role frontend. Let's check the roles of the nodes. There isn't any node with the role. Let's set the role. To do this, just set the label from the node selector section on the nodes. In my case, these nodes are node 2 and node 3. Good. We are ready to install the Ingress Nginx Controller. To do this, just copy the installation command from the official website. Add custom values. Execute the command. Check it. Ingress Nginx Controller has been installed on the nodes with the role frontend. In the values, we set the node pod service type. Here it is. Remember the pods. We'll need them in the HAProxy configuration. The next step is to install Keepalived. Open your terminal. Connect to the first node with the installed Ingress Nginx Controller. Update the list of available packages. Install Keepalived. Copy the name of the network interface connected to your local network. In my case, it is ENP0S8. I've prepared the Keepalived configuration beforehand. Paste the name of the network interface. Paste the virtual IP address. This IP has to be in the same local network. Paste the prepared configuration on the server. Start the Keepalived service and enable it. Check that the virtual IP address has been assigned to the interface. Good, here is the assigned VIP. Let's consider how traffic flows from a user to Ingress controllers. The user sends traffic to the network socket, virtual IP, colon 80 or 443. Then HAProxy forwards traffic to the Kubernetes node pod service. Finally, the service forwards traffic to one of the pods with the Ingress Nginx Controller. Note, this demo is for educational purposes. Your production solution can differ. For example, you may allocate your HAProxy on two separate servers that work as load balancers. We are ready to install HAProxy. Install it using apt again. Change the configuration. I have prepared it beforehand too. The mode is TCP by default. Paste your virtual IP in the bind option in both front-end sections. HAProxy transmits traffic to the backend on the network sockets IP addresses of the nodes port 32231 or 32232. As you notice, these ports are used by the node pod service. The second server works as a backup server. It will only handle traffic if the primary server fails. Copy and paste the configuration on the server. Validate the configuration. Alright, the config file is valid. Restart the HAProxy service and enable it. Alright, let's prepare the Keepalived configuration for the second server. Paste the name of your network interface and virtual IP again. In my case, the values are the same. Note, the state of the server is backup. Good, let's prepare the HAProxy configuration. Swap the server's IP addresses in the backend section. All other values are the same. Repeat the steps on the second server. Start an interactive shell session with full root privileges. Update the list of available packages. Install Keepalived HAProxy. Paste the configs. Check the configurations. Restart and enable services. check the status of the services. Let's check that failover is working. To do this, let's stop Keepalived on the first node. As you see, everything functions smoothly. The virtual IP is on the second node. Start Keepalived on the first node again. Good. We are ready to check load balancing. To do this, just deploy a simple deployment service and ingress in the Kubernetes cluster. I need to add the domain myexample.com to the etc hosts file to open it. Before testing, reconfigure one kernel network option. If you don't do this, after an operating system reboots, HAProxy won't start. Let's check our domain using curl. The server functions correctly. List the nodes and ports with Ingress controllers. As you see, there is one Ingress controller on each node. First of all, drain node 2. We are ready to shut down node 2. Before doing it, check that the IP address 192.168.1.2.0.0 is assigned to this node. Here it is. Shut down the node. As you see, the domain continues working, but node 2 is not ready. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you. Goodbye.